Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Eric in Kentucky on a Stryker sr-955 HP. Eric, as you see, we got it scanning through all these colors for you. We knew you would like that. There's the old-fashioned Stryker blue. Let's get right to it, Eric. I'll show you what we got. 5-watt slug, RF power all the way down. 5 watts. We'll roll it all the way up. Over 100-watt slug. It's 20 watts of carrier there all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 48 bird average. Over to peak power. Hello, and there's 88 watts. And Eric, I know you like a little bit of talk back. Show you what we got there. Check 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know you're fond of the Roger beeps, and there's several on there. Choose from all kinds of different ones and program your own. Eric, hope you enjoy your Christmas present from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.